Hello, and welcome to Serenity Soaps by Aki. My name is Aki, and today we are making emulsified sugar scrubs. These are the ingredients we will be using. First up is emulsifying wax, deodorized cocoa butter, unrefined shea butter, and olive pomace and rice bran oil. So let's get started. I will be pouring out 14.05 ounces of olive pomace and rice bran oil. Olive pomace has a disinfecting and cleansing effect on the skin. Rice bran oil slows the look of aging and brightens the complexion. Next, I'll be adding 10 ounces of emulsifying wax. Emulsifying wax acts as a thickening agent. It also allows the oils and butters in the scrub to mix with the water on your skin to give a lotion-like effect. Now I'll be adding 1.25 ounces of deodorized cocoa butter. Cocoa butter creates a protective barrier that holds in moisture and prevents your skin from drying. And lastly, I'll be adding 3 ounces of shea butter. Shea butter has anti-inflammatory and healing properties. It promotes the regeneration of skin cells and aids recovery. Now I'm going to melt all my ingredients, and I'll be back in a second. I'm back, and everything is melted, and I'm giving it a good stir. Every 15 to 20 minutes or so, I come back to it to stir it some more. You want the mixture to cool down in a uniform manner. And by doing this, it keeps the mixture soft and easy to work with. I do sell my sugar scrub base on my website for those who want to make sugar scrubs on their own. All you have to do is add sugar, fragrance, colors, and you're done. This is how you would use it. For this recipe, I measured out 8 ounces of my scrub base. This is completely optional, but I put a preservative in mine. If it's just for home use, you can skip this step. But I'm adding 0.10 ounces of my preservative. I will be scenting this scrub with Agave lime from Nature's Garden, and it smells so good, y'all. It has notes of lime, lemon, orange, and a little hint of musk. I'll be using this whole bottle. Now I'll be using my hand mixer, and I'll just blend all this together. Now I'll be adding 17 ounces of regular granulated sugar. And then voila, your sugar scrub is done. Okay, look, what had happened was my phone ran out of memory, so I lost the footage of me coloring it. But don't worry, I'm going to tell you what I used. So I used Key West Blue from Mad Micas. And just look at how gorgeous this is. So I put a little bit of that, and I used a little bit of Laurel Green from Nurture Soap. I get Nature's Garden and Nurture Soap mixed up sometimes. Just stay with me. Okay, so this is how I got this beautiful aqua-esque color. It's just pretty. Okay, so now the sugar scrub is done, and now it's time to put them in jars. These are 8-ounce low-profile jars I got from Bulk Apothecary. I like using low-profile jars because it's easy to get every little bit of scrub out when you're at the end of using it. And I like the amber because I just feel like it preserves the integrity of all the ingredients, and I just think it looks classy. And that's how I make my sugar scrubs. I will have the recipe and the link to everything that I used in this video in the description box below. Thanks for watching.